You're the third person I rescued this week.
Oh, really?
Good morning, good morning. I'm heading out by myself today. This is the first time taking my boat out in about 2 months. So I got the Haswing motor ready to go. The mount installed by Ocean Concepts. And this will be an exciting day because I will be able to test out the motor. It's fairly windy conditions today. But I'll be heading out along with my mate on his big boat, so we could be side by side in most cases, but we'll try Long Reef and see how the motor holds up. So just about to launch and see how this day goes. Let's get out.
너 이제 뷰어 몇 됐어?
Subscriber? 3천 정도 됐을 거야. First session of my boat after some of the installs that I have done. So I have 24 volts, 100 amp, lithium battery, and then GPS motor from Haswing. So I'm gonna test this out today and hopefully catch some fish. But today is gonna mainly be for testing out and configuring the motor. Let's go! I'm just navigating with this. Look at that, it's doing its thing to lock me on the spot. Let's set anchor, alarm, Haswing motor. Very good. The Fusion lithium-ion 24 volt battery. I've got the 100 amp version installed and it has its own app, so I can check the status. So currently it's getting discharged because I'm using it on the Haswing motor, and the voltage, the percent of charge, I've got 92%. I started at 92 and I've been here for around 20-30 minutes now and still at not a single drop of percentage. And amperage, so it's showing up at 100 amp, which is good. Battery condition is normal. Temperature 21 degrees. Voltage and amp draw, so I can see the amperage draw here at the moment. And I've got charging status, very nice, and it's from Superstart batteries. So deploying it is quite easy. You just adjust the depths where you want the motor head to drop to, and just simply flick that switch and just let it drop. Alright, let's just send some squid down. So a little squid right here. So look at that. So out in the open, it's slightly windy, not too windy. Bit of swell. There is a bit of a current happening at the moment. It's moving tide, but the Haswing is working on beautifully. Whoa, 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 whoa. Definitely a king. Here you go. First fish on this new reel. Off you go, buddy. Not bad at all. First kingfish on the saltest LW. Now comes the jig. This is the setup that I bought from Korea, which has caught many fish already. Slow jigging. Fast. Slow. And when the alarm goes off like that, then I'm very close, so I just drop it again. So it's a very easy and effective way of doing the jig. So 12, 17, 18, 19. So we end up 23 meters of water. So 26, we hit the bottom because we're kind of going sideways. Slow and fast. Oh, on the jig, on the vertical jig. Ah, come on, let's go. Oh, it's a bunny. It's a turtle. 형, it's a turtle. Shark? I think it's a turtle. It's a turtle. My mate over there just looked up a turtle. The turtle went for a bait. It bites! Yes, 20 fillets. That's it, come to me. Man, it's all tangled up. Look at this mess. I think this is a short sign to just head back. Over and out for the day. 갈게요. You in trouble? What happened? You ran out of fuel. Bloody hell, ran out of fuel. You got a rope?
Yeah, I'll just use
You want a rope and tie it out the front? Hold on, let's just get out of the bridge first, yeah? Once we get out of the bridge, I'll tie it. You're the third person I rescued this week.
Oh, really?
Another rescue mission. You said you are at Wilmington? Let go? Happy day. Huh? What? No. No. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a good day.